Look at these men dragging this giant net along the beach. What you're witnessing is a traditional fishing technique that demands immense strength and coordination. For several minutes, the entire team battles the surf, pulling in meter by meter, hoping to uncover what lies hidden in the depths. As the net reaches the shore, the sand reveals a massive catch, filled with small fish and a few enormous specimens. But the real surprise comes at the end. A beautiful sea turtle caught by accident. Without hesitation, the men gently release it and return it to its home in the sea, demonstrating a profound respect for the ocean. Follow me to see more interesting things.